robotic arm. Rajan Rian visited to their uncle's factory and they saw many men working so hard to move the heavy load. So they decided to make a robotic arm to move the heavy load easily. I have made this pneumatic robotic arm from SPM and pneumatic kit. In this model, I have used one air pump to pump the air, one air tank to store the air, one manometer to measure the air pressure, 3 cylinders. This cylinder is used to move the robotic arm right and left. This cylinder is used to moving the robotic arm up and down, and this cylinder is used for opening and closing the creepers. Robotic arms are used for arc welding, picking, placing, grinding, cutting